Alright everybody, this is the damage indicators, the second part to the EF2 tornado that we just did, and I was going to discuss in a little bit more detail where this damage had occurred. So we have clearly what these are called CMUs, or the cinder blocks, and what I wanted to just describe was the way the DIs work and the association. So the DIs are separated in a bunch of DODs, about 26 or between around that number, and so you got these different stages of each DI that associate a certain wind speed with that damage that has been observed to confirm the maximum potential that they can confirm of what they've seen. So this CMU block damage of this particular building had caused a maximum confirmation of 135 miles per hour in the wind speeds. And what we can see is that this is this layer right here on the east side has tumbled clearly from the to the east. So the circulation had gone through and past the wall, and when the wall breaks at a certain anchor point, you get a very high pressure differential, and that pressure differential can likely overpower, well, it can overpower the cement that joins these blocks together, and then that's when you have the inversion in the pressure, and by the Bernoulli's effect you get something where basically as similar as this, where you get a complete fallout of all the blocks even when the cement is even still attached to the CMU blocking. There are trees in the background as well, so this is the best image that there is. But in this you can clearly see in the very back we have damage and debarking. So the debarking essentially of a tree is where the tree loses its bark, and then you can tell by the tilting of the tree and the direction it's been pressed across which way the circulation had travelled through. And so if it's facing west to east, that means the circulation had translated west to east across that to cause it like that. And then the debarking would mean that the tree branches at that particular point where it's facing the translation of that tornado itself has caused that part of the tree to break apart and cause that debarking. And then we have the second one, which is ground scouring, and the ground scouring is essentially the uplift of topsoil, and you can see sometimes it depends on the actual surface material, and this is a weak surface material, and that allowed for an upscale of the topsoil and bringing it upwards with the rising motion of the tornado's circulation.